I look so oily. Anyway, so the rain has stopped, which is perfect for me. So now I'm gonna try and get a taxi because I need to start my day activity. Thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Okay, thank you. Oh, thank you. This is nice. Hey guys, my face is oily as hell. When I woke up this morning, it was thunder. It was a thunderstorm. I actually emailed the place and let them know that okay, it's raining. What am I supposed to do? Because today the plan was to come here and then I have a night safari. I'm like, because I'm strapped for time, I thought that I wasn't gonna be able to do this activity. Funny enough, I don't like heights, but I'm always on these type of activities. So cute, so beautiful. It's so beautiful. This spot is right next to the beach. I'm gonna eat something because it's like 12 o'clock now and I haven't eaten all morning. This is the food from last night. I asked to put it in a to-go box. I didn't even microwave it because where am I gonna get a microwave from? Wish me luck, guys. It is good. So I am still at the beach. I couldn't eat off all of it because the food that I was eating, it's cold. My voice is already gone. Like I feel like my voice is so much better than it was this morning. I feel a little hoarse. Anyways, I set up my phone right there. I was taking some pictures because guys, solar life, so you gotta come prepared. So I was taking some pictures and then this couple, they came and they asked me to take pictures of them. And the lady, she wanted a lot of pictures, but that was fine, you know. And then her husband, I was taking pictures of both of them. And she asked me if I'm a YouTuber. I'm like, yeah. And then she got so excited, but she didn't even ask me what's your YouTube name or anything. But it's fine because I don't really like, it's weird, but I don't like to share, which is, I know, like it's like a shy thing. And I'm like, yeah. But anyway, the atmosphere is really nice though. I'm gonna try and get something to drink because I feel like I'm very thirsty, and then I'm gonna try and figure out how am I gonna get to my next location. Scheduled time is at 9:45, so I have a lot of time, but I don't want to cut it too close because I don't want to be in trouble. These tickets aren't refundable, so once I miss the scheduled time, that's it. I get drunk. Solo tripping is nice, it's relaxing. Try not to book a lot of activities per day, then I would be all over the place and then I wouldn't really get to enjoy all of this thing. Ooh, look at that speedboat over there. Can you guys see? Okay, hello birdie. Hello birdie. I think I'm gonna probably take a few more pictures and then I'm gonna maybe walk around this area a little. So this area is called Sentosa Beach. Let's hope I remembered it because I always forget the names of stuff. Oh, but guys, you can do bungee jumping here too, like over all the way over there. That's bungee jumping because I was asking them like what other activities can I do here, and then the lady told me bungee jumping, and I was like, by the way, it's so refreshing to be able to communicate in English. Super refreshing. Like I'm so happy everybody understands me. Everything is in English. Look at this. Oh, see there, that's the name of the place. See, I remember this, Sentosa. Everything is in English. So I was gonna tell you guys where I'm going. I want you guys to stay tuned. Guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn on your notification bell, you know, help a girl to grow to 20k. I'm at 1k now. I'm trying to reach not 2k, I'm trying to reach 20k. Yes, the girl gotta aim high. See you guys in a bit.
You share. Yeah, but I need to borrow your hand. Okay. Yeah, you're here, 2 hands.
Okay.
Yeah. This one is from Netherlands. So this soda is very famous in Singapore. Yeah, they have very pure, organic. It's no chemicals.
Your way.
Yeah, you wash it in your hand like that. Yeah, you rub it like that. Yeah, so this soda is you use for once in a week. You don't need to use a shower gel on that. Yeah, just here. Yeah, and I know that you really like to be shining your body.
I have dry dry skin, so
Yeah,
not too
yeah.
much.
You can wipe it in yourself.
I like that it's oily.
Yeah, oily. Yeah.
I have dry skin.
I tell you, this is really very good.
89?
1 year. Can last you for 1 year. It's certified organic.
Guys, I'm in. This is the very first time I'm taking a double-decker bus. I'm gonna just head back to the hostel, hotel, or whatever you wanna call it, because my next activity is at 9 o'clock. So instead of me just be on the road, I'm gonna just head back to the hostel, relax a little, and then head back up on the road. Because I feel tired, to be honest. I need to plan my next country's itinerary.